Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This is part 2 of those brushless motor repair. We're going to give this a shot. Me and another gentleman, we converted that part number to something that's newer. Specs are awful darn close. So I found these shipped straight from Hong Kong. Shipped straight from Hong Kong. So they were like $1.60 each. So I got a couple. We're gonna experiment and try to get these things running. Everything else looks like it lines up nicely. So I just have to bend the leads, get that soldered in, and then put the inline fuse in there so we have some protection rather than that surface mount fuse, which is you can't service it actually. So we're gonna give that a shot, try to get this little fan put back together, and then hopefully we'll get some real numbers out of that. So hang on, we'll get one of these put back together and take a peek at the other one. Hopefully we can get him fixed as well.